Hi, I'm Jo with WTI, and as you can see I have these beautiful brushes from Golden Maple, a set of 15. Now, I'm not the best painter, but I love to paint, and it's been a joy to paint with these brushes. Some of the things that I love about this brush is that it's a set of 15, like I said, and it's a wide variety. And you can use this on acrylic, oil, or watercolor, so it's suitable for all kinds of paint. You can even use this for your face or body. I know a lot of people like to do face painting for children. I actually do facials, and I love these brushes. Some of these brushes are really great for around the eye area or to apply the mask. And it's great because it's portable, and it has a stand-up way of putting the brushes so they're very easy to use. And the quality is so beautiful. You have the nylon quality, very high quality that is wonderful. So it's been really nice to use these variety of brushes and assorted of sizes and shapes, and it's been just a pleasure using these high quality brushes. So I think this has been something I've really enjoyed, and if you're a painter, I think you will like it too. And that is my point of view.